Kate here at WTI, and I'm out here cozy in my ice hut and just admiring my awesome storage from DEANIC. So this is a 4-tier shelf. It's black, it's made of metal, it's really solid. But the best part is that when you're done with it, it fully collapses. I love this for our ice hut for camping because you can use it for the time you need it, and then you can just collapse it down and store it so easily. It has an amazing capacity, so we keep everything we need to be able to cook and survive and clean and whatever we have to do in here. There is space for everything. It also comes with the option of what to put on the bottom, so you can put this on wheels. We have it just on regular feet, but if you do want to be able to cart this around, you absolutely can. Of course, you can use this in your home because it's very stylish. It looks really nice and sleek. It's got the nice detailing on the side, so absolutely would be perfect inside. For us, we love it for all of our outdoor hobbies, camping and ice fishing, but whatever you want to use it for, you're going to be really thrilled with it, and that's my point of view.